Hey guys! Woo! So guys, welcome to another video. Roll the intro. So in this week's video guys, ato sa tanawon og unsa gyud ang kinabuhi sa usa ka turista. In short, kita na say mag countryside tour. Let's go! So guys, first stop kay ang blood compact site. Diri sa blood compact site guys, kita ang kuan kato statue ni Yellow Base ni Westfield. Okay guys, so muna diri ang blood compact site. Diri ka site. Mar! Mar, asam ta karon Mar? Explain o aha ta karon.
Nasa sa blood compact.
Blood compact nasa blood compact Mar.
Mga gatagay nga Espanyol.
Usa ano gatagay Mar, gisa man gatagay Mar.
Kay kuan kanang pista man dialis Bohol.
Uya yan sa man gatagay Mar.
Kuan dugo o bahal.
Okay. Hi guys. Muna ang Baclayan Church. Sima, kung sa'yo na sa Baclayan Church, Sima?
We have seen different saints and different artifacts that are damaged last October.
Like
Particles of the statues and
yeah. What do you mean by artifacts?
artifacts.
Okay, guys. What can you say about Baclayan Church?
One of the famous here in Bohol.
One of the famous?
One of the oldest church. Famous church.
So the tarsier is like representing the tarsier. Sure na to make up to the moms.
Okay, Chester, asa ta karon?
We're going to the tarsier sanctuary. I don't know what the tarsier looks like.
Yeah. Panamin, Chester.
Ha?
So guys, nata sa tarsier guys sa Korea. Kita ko na mo yung nakadiscover sa mga tarsier, si Tarsier Man. Tarsier Man.
Pasbay.
Maestra. Kinagwapahang maestra. Yay, flat one na this.
Hello.
Okay, so tapos sunod pa tong choy.
Sa ito na sa kananan.
Then mo rin yung tour guide guys. Say pa na to? Kuya? Ate. Ate. Say pa na to ate? Ha? Si Kuya Elmer. Ate Elmer. So mayo ni siya tour guide guys. Marv. Karon Marv.
Karon sa atong bidungan.
So guys, nata sa Lobok Tourism Complex. So dire masakay ta og kuan hotel restaurant. Si Masa ta karon.
So we're here at Lobok River to take our lunch.
Usay na ane.
River.
Oh. Isira. So mo na yung ticket sa floating guys. Hala, yawa bata. Kuyawa bata. Kuyawa Superman ay. Ay, amigo, sana pa. Daghan na ay. Ubalik tani ko, kabakambak tani.
Maligo na, no?
Maligo ta ba dire? J. Sige.
Ambak.
Oh yeah. Yeah, nice ka. Yawa bata.
Hari PC ba? Hari PC.
Yawa. Tanawa na sa YouTube, pre, Sepe, search nyo. Woo! Wow! Okay guys, so nakuman ang Lobok lunch sa floating restaurant. Kasi kayo mo sa Lobok floating restaurant experience mo.
Amazing. Makabusog.
So karon guys, padoon namin sa among bus. Ang bus mo kay ang bus C. So sunod nga destination guys, ang man-made forest. Okay, nagkasgas pag nagkuha lens. Wala ko smith. Hi.
Bitch, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down.
So it was during the time of Carlos Polistico Garcia and supported by our governor at that time, Lino Chato. They are collaborating ideas to make Bohol proud of being green. So out of these 10,000 hectares, only 800.4 hectares are planted with mahogany.
So guys, nata sa Butterfly Dome. Dire makita ang mga butterfly. Karon sa vlog nga karon usod ta ning butterfly matata ta unsa gyud na ni sod. Kay di ba pag niagi ang vlog kay kuha man to kana. Iguro mo ko standby do kilid so para mo sod ta ko say naagi dani. Di ba ma'am? Oh, abito ka. Yes. Sir.
Mao na siya sa katong gold nga view pa, mao na siya may imong butterfly. Tanawa di ba white and black na lang. Mao na pinaka kanang migraine, kita mo si migraine? Sabi sa una. Migraine. Kaya normal 21 days lang. Kaya kung malapas lang 22.
Abnormal.
Pat yun sa naman 21. Mag-break ang record, di namin tuwan.
And guys, nata sa Chocolate Hills Adventure Park. So dire sa Chocolate Hills Adventure Park guys, makita ni mga lain-lain o pwede ka musakay sa mga lain-lain mga rides. Pareha niyo. Kanang Russian bula-bula. Dagag mga activities dire guys compared sa complex. Sa taas na guys, makita sa mga hills. Ang kuan or panoramic view sa hills. And guys, opa rin ipilailan niyo si Elmar, si Met, si Maya, si Prince, ug si Kebong. What are can you can you Mo man ikaw nahubog pag yagi. Namuwa god. Si ano?
YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay guys, hi ma'am. Asa ta karon ma'am? Apparently guys, we're climbing we're walking this hiking trail, with Prince De La Cruz.
Footbridge.
Yeah. Footbridge. Oh, there are lots of chicks. Oh, chicks. Oh, so let's climb there. Let's climb there.
Yeah.
We go up there.
Okay,
We go up there.
Go for it. Please, let's talk in English.
Yeah, let's talk in English because we're halfly foreigners.
I don't understand you're talking about.
Okay, so apparently we're climbing this almost 100 meters above the sea level bridge and
Sabari. Hindi ta pwede magdungan na kay we have a
very dangerous.
big companion. Diba, I have a disabled person.
Buyawa! Oh shit, for the vlog man, content.
Ano magyugo talaga yan?
Hindi, okay na. Paano magkabuksingiro ito?
Yawa.
Make sure diya.
Hi vlog.
Matagak,
Namek karon sa hanging bridge.
Yeah.
Oy, bawe.
Don't look down.
Ulba kayo guys, kay Murag Bakshus, kahugno ba ito?
Don't look down.
Wala, kaya ba? Wala po ang idol, oh. Makita ng hills, oh. Uy, Randel.
Yes.
Okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. So, dire na tama na vlog for this week.
That's a wrap. I'm up.
Okay.
That's the wrap, we're out.
Bye. So guys, shout out kay guys. Take on.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And the link down below.
Ring my bell.
Follow,
Oh, yeah.
follow my bell. Ring my bell below.
What bell? What bell?
Come on, ibalag sa
And kuan day guys, shout out ni Joseph Dublon og ni Nick Rocking. And follow ko yun sa Instagram. So, yeah. I-close. Oh! Balik. Wow! Balik.
Be humble, bitch, sit down. Be humble.
Sapuno. Umon. Do.
False and true people.
Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down.